Hi friends, welcome back to CivTechSimplified. We are today presenting top 5 MCQs for the job test of civil engineers. Today's topic is travel trip generation. So let's get started. Question number 1. Trips having one end at home of person making trip are known as dash. Trips having one end at home of person making trip are known as option A interzonal trips, option B home based trips, option C intrazonal trips, option D internal trips. So trips having one end at the home of the person who is generating the trip, and that trip is called home based trip. So B is the correct answer. Question number 2. Trips having neither end at the home of the person making the trip are known as option A through trips, option B non home based trips, option C external trips, and option D intrazonal trips. So trips having neither end at home of the person making the trip are known as non home based trips. So B is the correct answer for this question. Question 3. The gravity model states that the trips produced in zone I will be distributed to each other zone J according to relative dash and dash of each zone. Option A, mobility and accessibility. Option B, attractiveness and mobility. Option C, attractiveness and accessibility. Option D, none of the above. So C is the correct answer, attractiveness and accessibility. The gravity model states that the trips produced in zone I will be distributed to each other zone J according to relative attractiveness and accessibility of each zone. Question number 4. In gravity model of the term used to represent the separation between zone is option A, impedance, socio-economy, option C, reliability, option D, capacity. So A is the correct answer. In gravity model, the term used to represent the separation between zone is impedance. Question number 5. Which of the following methods use constant growth factor for producing future trip distribution? Detroit method, option B gravity method, option C uniform growth method, option D average growth method. So C here is the correct answer. This uniform growth factor method is and this use constant growth factor for producing future trip distribution. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to SwiftTech Simplified and send your comments below. Thank you and goodbye.